Hey, this is a video of a plugin that I wanted to show you. This is the SSL channel mono. Now, SSL channels and are legendary mixing boards. SSL 4000 is one of them. Some of the top selling albums in history used SSL consoles. So this is a strip that you can get over waves.com. And it's very inexpensive, like 20. I think it's still at 29 bucks or something like that. And you can also get the SSL bundle at Waves. So I'm pretty sure it has the SSL 4000 series console in it, and strips like this, compressors, and all this. But the sound is pretty legendary. So I thought I would show it to you, and it might be one of the strips you want to add to your arsenal of plugins because of the sound quality and the legendary sound quality. Now it has all the same things like the channel strips on boards, threshold, compressors, release time, expand, range, gate for any hisses in your recording. It has bypass, so if you make any subtle adjustments, you can bypass it and listen to the original sound it was at before. Because input, output, analog sound on or off. If you want analog recording, bells. Remember what I said in the other videos, you keep the bells up, you don't keep them to the left where it sounds muddy, and to the right where it sounds tinny. You want them in the middle of the bell curve. Okay, let's just give it a listen so you can hear the quality of the SSL plugins. Okay, so it has low mid frequencies, high mid frequency channels, or EQs, and you can make your slight adjustments. Let's preview it. You can also use a little trick here, like you can just boost this frequency way up, play it back. You can hear how bad it doesn't sound very good. So let's preview it again and pull this back. So for me, it sounded best at 300 hertz, right? So you pull it back, pull the filter back, and until it sounds good to your recording type of thing. Anyways, again, I just wanted to give you this plugin because of the legendary sound of SSL. This course, I wanted to give you some real hands-on knowledge to edit and master, but I also wanted to present some legendary plugins, and so when you do the compression like this, it's not as if that when you're going into the mastering phase, you're not going to use mastering compression or limiting compression, because the mastering software and stuff like that, they're higher components and they're designed for mastering. So you're still going to go into your mastering compression and still use mastering compression and limiting. And anyways, so that's about -12 dB, but you could probably get it up to like 6 if you wanted to push it up. Anyways, It was just to show you the plugin and the legendary sound of SSL. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.